been tested since when July. When the first time we took it out to the track? Oh, at Southampton. We took it out. We got a couple of tunes. Obviously, we're still figuring out. We got another tune coming. Let's just say that we got another tune coming. Guy working with me. We have an event coming up this Saturday, so we're gonna test it again. It's great. It's just we need to fine tune the issue. I feel like he said he can figure it out, so we shall see. Kits available.
Yeah, I think the last video was for the oil pan.
For the oil pan?
I think so.
Yeah. So shout out to John. Is John his name? I'm sorry, man. I didn't butcher your name.
John.
Huh?
Who's John?
From Hawaii.
Jensen.
Jensen. I'm sorry, bro. My bad. His name is Jensen. He ordered the oil pan. I'm waiting for the flanges that we ordered. It's all CNC. That's why it's taking so long. It's not even that long. It's only been like a couple of days, but we're waiting on that. Then we can get going. We can get rolling with the oil pan.
All right, break it down.
This is a small gear turbo. Everybody said that it's a small turbo, but it's a 660 horsepower capable. It's actually hitting full boost at roughly 28 to 3,000 RPM. It's pretty fast actually. I don't get any lag. I stay at third gear most of the time. When I need to do a reverse entry, which I have not been because this car is acting like shitty right now, I can just go to fourth gear, you know. But yeah.
Why is there an airbox?
Why can I have an airbox? I just think it's complete with the airbox. So I really like. I put it there that way I can hide the dipstick and the coolant reservoir. So we moved into a new shop, so I have no time to make my reservoir right now. So right now we're running a Sapporo reservoir. That's what we have. But yeah, this is where we hide the dipstick. Everybody always asking me about it. You can do whatever you want. This is what I want to do. See, told you. This is where we hide the dipstick. Yeah. Saturday again. I got Aaron making me a hydraulic bracket for my hydraulic bracket. I got making my bracket for my hydraulic e-brake. We're trying to avoid cutting all the panels, so he's busy right now with the Civic, so we gotta have to wait on that for a little bit. And we got Hunter practicing more of his CAD.
Say hi.
But yeah, no, obviously new place. It's still not settled in. We did bought a brand new alignment rack, well, alignment machine.
Because the racks are not here yet.
The rack's not here yet. So that's the reason why. So, all right. Can we talk about the other build?
Well,
all
a month ago.
A month ago, before the Mexico trip, I found a deal about an E36, and we talked about everybody voted for B58. I wanted to go B58 because or even N54. That's the smart move. We can't do that swap anymore.
So what engine are you going with?
So I found another deal. I've done this swap back in 2000. What was it, Chico?
2017 or 16?
No, 15.
It's like 15, 16.
Anyways, Matt Shue can't even vouch for it. Matt tuned my E36 with AEM, EMS. We're going to Jay-Z. So I did it back in 2015. It's just one of the most reliable engine out there. Obviously, calling running the Jay-Z motor.
Getting a cage, full cage.
Yeah, I've done this swap back then, and it's a good, decent setup. It's a good setup. It's a great setup. So we're going with that. So that would be mainly after we get all these cars out here, then I start working with my two Jay-Z. Plus it's expensive, so I gotta wait out, man. It's a lot of money. But yeah, so that's it, right? I mean, car is running great. Swap is available online. But all right, here's back to work.